Okay, so we've landed here at Cookie Maker. I think is an ingenious little device to help people basically make cookie sandwiches, make them right in front of the customer, even hand them to the customer. We've got Filippo here, this is your dream come true, is to bring cookie sandwiches to the world.
Yes, last summer we patented this product, this Cookie Maker. We think it's a small revolution in a certain way for the ice cream shops world, because it allows to prepare an ice cream sandwich, an ice cream cookie in front of the customer, so the final product can be completely customized.
It's a good design. It's a good little design.
Yes, exactly. We thought about a simple product, a product quick to use, a smart product, in order to allow to the operators to be faster in preparing the ice cream sandwich. It's very easy. You put here the first cookie, then you fill it with the ice cream, with gelato. You put the second cookie on the top, and then pushing this button.
And it's like a cookie ejector button.
Exactly, cookie ejector button, exactly. Exactly. It's absolutely, yes. If you want, you can roll it in some grains, or if you are in Australia, in some Smarties or M&Ms for the US.
That's right. We had this discussion about Smarties, and people in America don't know about Smarties, but Smarties, I think, are the original M&M. Need to look out for them. So we've got your beautiful assistant, Armando.
Exactly. Great pronunciation.
And he's going to demonstrate here. So you've got one of these cookie molds, and the simplicity of it is you put the cookie right in on top. So the cookie goes in first, then basically you're filling it up. And now you can do this with gelato, do it with soft serve, do it with premium ice cream, right?
Yes, exactly.
And then basically the second cookie then goes on top. And then, this is where the magic happens. Oh, Armando, ta-da! He's going to roll it in a beautiful blend of Italian nuts, yes, or Smarties, or whatever you would like. Look at it! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that handsome man with a cookie sandwich. He looks even more handsome with a cookie sandwich in his hand. Here, over here. I really like the fact that now you can mass produce these, so you can take this and freeze it.
Yes.
But it's not kind of smashed like some other places do it.
We work a lot on the consistency of the cookie. This cookie is a gluten-free product developed for us exclusively from a small patisserie, from a small bakery in Tuscany.
Right.
So it's 100% made in Italy, the cookie. And also the instrument is made in Italy, in the province of Varese, so close to Milan. And is invented also, so the concept is an Italian concept. So 100% made in Italy. The product, the biscuit, all.
Can I taste it?
Yes, of course.
It's fabulous. The fact that it's just made right in front of you, I think, is very, very cool. Now, Armando, would you mind taking this? So what comes in the box?
It's a starter kit with all the necessary you need to start to propose the service to your customer. The box contains 2 cookie makers, 1 plexiglass display to put there on your desk, 1 plexiglass tray for the Smarties, for the M&Ms, for the grains, and 30 cookies so that you can try, and some recycled paper napkins where to put the ice cream sandwich before giving it to the customer.
I just think the simplicity is the beauty of this. Mate, you have a website, obviously, maybe Instagram, all that stuff?
Yeah, we have an official page on Instagram and on Facebook too, and we have a website in Italian and English language. And well, we are in Italy, but we can, and we really hope to spread the Cookie Maker all over the world, so we can ship it everywhere, especially in North America.
Yeah. Look, we're going to put the link to the Cookie Maker down in the comments below. Thank you so much. I just think, let's get behind this. I just love that you've got small business owners investing in a product that's really common sense, can be used in any different application. Links down below. Hey, thank you so much for allowing us to come and crash the show.
Thank you, it's been a pleasure.
And there you go, folks, the Cookie Maker, links down below. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.